Other names rounding out the 18-player roster are Brianna Jones, Brittany Griner, Chelsea Gray, Tierica Hamby, Jackie Young, Kalia Copper, and Kelsey Plum. Kelsey, Ka, Jackie, Griner, and Chelsea have all participated in multiple Olympics.
Yeah.
So why aren't Asia, Fee, Stewie, AT, and Saab not there? Well, because they are going to make the team.
So they're literally on the roster.
And this is something that I was like yelling from the rooftops before. Like, why are people that are going to make the team coming back from overseas with our only 2-week break and being here? So I'm glad that USA Basketball, shout out to Sue Bird, is working smarter and not harder.